What's going on, guys, and welcome back to an episode here on the channel. Today it's very special. I am in Switzerland and I'm going to show you where I am. Maybe you already recognize something because we're at the place of Ruedi. I will show you something that's inside that is absolutely crazy. Come on, let's go inside. So maybe you have seen this video on our channel. Probably yes, because it did almost 2.5 million views. But in this man cave, we got an amazing indoor pond. Let's check it out. How great is this, guys? This pond is about 17,000 liters and he built it with a couple of his crew. And look how big the fish are. It's really nice. So as you can see, it's a little bit down. So they dig a hole about 1 meter into the ground and they got this huge glass inside. It's about 3 centimeters wide. And as you can see, it's a little bit bent, but that's because of the water pressure. But this thing is very well built, and that means that it can hold all the water very, very good. So this is quite normal. If you have a pond with glass, you always have quite some margin to bend it, because the pressure, of course, is very high. Even the pond is inside the ground. So this one is 17,000 liters. We got a very nice waterfall where he built it in. We got some UV lights, so they get some extra color, and as you can see, the colors of the fish are great. We got some really nice fish, really great Yamabuki, Yutsuri, Sanke, Showa, everything is in there. I like this so much. Alright guys, so let me show you the filtration system that belongs to this pond. Maybe you also saw that in the other video. So let's check it out. He built it on this side and it's very quiet. Of course, it is the smart pond filter. He used the Pro line. So as you can see, we got one trickle filter over there. We got the control panel that's located there. And let's put this thing up. I'll go over here. As you can see, this is the rest of the filtration system. As you can hear, it's quite silent here. We also have this is the magnetic, I don't know how you say it, maybe you know it. Yes, it's magnetic. So this is for refreshing the water. So if it needs to refresh the water, this will go on and off, of course. So the fish gets enough fresh water. Let's get back to the pond. And of course, the smart pond filters are very good. You know, James, the other pond we visit during this trip also uses the smart pond filtration system, and Ruedi also has 2 big outside ponds. You will see in the next video. There he has 2 smart pond filters as well. Here in Switzerland they're quite used to these kind of systems, and yeah, they're very nice. I mean, it looks good, they're working good, and of course it's a good brand. So let's get back to the pond. Let me close the door. Maybe I need to put the light on. But this is the best view. Imagine sitting here every Saturday night with all of your friends, sitting on the table, have some beers, enjoying this great view. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely great. Alright, so let's go outside, because before I show you the other ponds in the other video, Ruedi has also a small quarantine place on the other side, so let's go over there. They're not calling this pond some other fish. How do you call it? What was the Swiss name for this fish? Sandal. Quarantine, so if he has any problems with his fish, he can save them here. Or if customers want to buy some koi, Alright guys, so we're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna shoot some other videos, because he has 2 amazing outside ponds where he can swim with the koi, and he has some sturgeon in there. So we're gonna end this video. The next video, don't forget to watch them. I will put the link somewhere here or there, but let's go upstairs and let's see what he has there. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, give a thumb up and let me know what you thought about the indoor pond.